Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 4A, teacher posed obstacles. And of course, by teacher posed obstacles, I mean teacher posed obstacles to student success. We are studying Paulo Freire's banking concept of education versus the problem posing education. And we are discussing the text or writing in this assignment for our discussion 4B essay, which is worth 120 points. Okay. You are listening to my video now and viewing it. It's titled About This Assignment. So let's look at this assignment and survey it. We have 5 links: due dates, requirements, the discussion rubric, the overview, and the assignment purpose. We have a part 1 and we have a part 2. Let's go back up to the links and let's click on due dates and find out what the due dates are. We have post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. Please keep in mind that our due dates are not Sunday. The Canvas software allows me to list only one due date, and I list Sunday, the end of the week, for convenience. But as I told you in our first assignment, the assignments have different due dates. And what is that first assignment that I'm referring to? Let me show it to you. And it's Introduction to English 101, Frequently Asked Questions. And I made you aware of the due dates in this assignment. And this was in question 2. How will I know what's due when? Do you have a detailed list of all assignments? And I answered this and wrote about the different due dates. Okay, so please be aware of our due dates. I'm going back into modules, and I'm going back down to the week we're in, which is week 5, discussion 4A, teacher posed obstacles to student success. I have made you aware of the due dates. You need to post part 1 by Thursday at 11:59 p.m., and you need to post part 2 by Saturday. Okay. For this assignment, you do need to read Chapter 2 of Paulo Freire's 1968 book, Pedagogy of the Oppressed, and you have a link right here to read it. And I'm going to click on that link. It is right here, and it is just 54 paragraphs in length. I'm scrolling down to show you that. It is not that long what you have to read, but reading this may change your life. Okay, so I'm scrolling back up. I have big print here. The chapter is fairly short. Paulo Freire's book, Pedagogy of the Oppressed, is only 4 chapters long, and we're reading chapter 2, which I think is the most important chapter. Okay, I'm clicking on the back arrow to get back into our assignment. So you do have part 1, which is an informal essay. You will need to quote in this essay from Paulo Freire's chapter 2 of his book, and then you're going to need to respond to 2 pairs. You have pair evaluations. Okay, as always, if you have any questions or concerns, I am in inbox. Whoops, let me move this out of our way. I am in inbox. You're never bothering me when you email me. You can never email me too much. Email me until the assignment is clear to you if you need to. And also keep in mind, please, that I have Confer-Zoom and office hours in General Classroom Building 210D from 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays, except for holidays, okay? And Confer-Zoom is right here if you want to have a video conference with me. Okay, again, I'm here in inbox. I also keep my office hours. Any questions or concerns about this assignment, you know where I am. I care about your education. Don't hesitate to contact me. All right, let's have a good week.